Hey guys, it's Ben from Ben Stinson Films, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Ninja Auto IQ Boost System 1200 volt 1.6 horsepower blender. I got this for my apartment because I wanted a blender and thought Ninja was a good choice. I'm not any blender expert or anything, I just want to show you my opinion on this one I'm buying, an unboxing and review of it, and I'm going to be making a blender, so let's get started. On the front of the package, it shows what comes in the package. There is the Ninja motor blender with all three different types of blending cups on top. There's the big one, the precision little one, and the nutrient little cup for like a single smoothie. Opening up the box, you get straight off with some Ninja writing. There's Auto IQ X-Ray Collection, and then you see there's a cup of smoothie with some smoothie in it. It says it's smooth sipping out from here. Opening up, you're straight off with the manual and a little cookbook that Ninja supplies that has a bunch of other blending options in there. Opening up the boxes, there's each individual boxes wrapped. The first one here is going to be a lid to one of the mini cup blender cups, and then this is the full biggest blender, the crusher, and then as you can see, the blade is installed inside of it, and it's just all very nice. The next box is going to be holding the plastic blender tip. It's going to have another lid for the little cup nutrient cups, and then it's holding the actual cups, the smallest cups with the blender blades inside of them. And then it comes with an extra one just so you don't have to keep washing them every day. And then in the next box, it is the motor to the entire thing where you put each of the blender cups on top of. And as you can see, it's the Ninja nice blender. The next box has the smaller medium cup blender with the blender blades already inside, and as you can see right there, and then the lid to the medium one. So I unpacked all this stuff and I started showing this is all that comes inside of it, and then I tried putting the big blender top on it. I was missing the lid and I couldn't find it, and it was just right here on the side of the box. I feel dumb for that, but here's a opening of the lid to the crusher part, this part right here. To put it on, all you do is just make sure it places and it will fall right down, and then you turn it to the left where you can hear a click, just like that, and then you push the release button, put that on, and down. They're all the same, just each version is bigger than the other, and that's how it's all set up. To wash them, all you have to do is either put them in the dishwasher. It's all dishwasher safe, but there is another way to do it. You can either hand wash it, but I like to just fill up the cups with 1/4 of water, put a little bit of dish soap in them, and then just let the blender take it from there. You can run it on any setting, and then just keep redoing with regular water without adding soap, and then rinse them off like I'm doing here. And that's just another way of cleaning it. You can do it through the dishwasher or anything like that. Now onto making my smoothie. I put some ice, some bananas, some blueberries, and some strawberries. So a strawberry, blueberry, banana smoothie. I kind of messed up for a little bit, and as you can see, I added milk, and also you have to have the ice at the bottom, so you do everything reverse what I just did, and then you add milk, and then it should come out something like this, and it's like a purplish color or whatever you have in it. And as you can see, it's a pretty delicious little cup of smoothie. So overall, this Ninja blender is a very good blender that comes with a lot of accessories, as you can see. I like it. I made some smoothies so far, nothing else, but I plan on making soups. There's a whole manual of stuff that comes with this Ninja blender. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Comment below what other videos I should do. If you want any help or anything like that, also comment questions, anything like that. But thanks for watching. Subscribe.